What's good, people? We got a quick unboxing here of Studio Series number 39 Cogman. Looks good. Very silvery. Front of the package. Side of the package. Back of the package. The other side of the package. With a beautiful CGI render and the Autobot logo on top. Okay, let's do this. Now, as you know, I'm not really doing a review. These are just quick unboxing videos for you guys to look at. Box to the side. Okay, and there you have it. Studio Series Cogman. Close up. Close. Oh, his head. Oh, there's another tie on his head. I didn't know that. Interesting. There we go. Now you can move his head around. And I'm gonna say a quote from the movie that he said from the last night. "You are needed, sir, urgently." Okay. I'll just show off his sword real quick. There you go. You can like pose this however the heck you want, so it doesn't really matter. Kaboom, kaboom. Chop, 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 chop. Kick. Right, and there you have it. If you want to see the backdrop, I can show you real quick. Hey, this isn't that bad. I like it. Just let me remove the tape off here. Why is the tape like this? They taped the instructions? Okay, that's the first time I've seen that. That is so weird. Alright, anyways. There's your backdrop for you. Open it up. There you are. Pretty cool. But yeah, I do not use these at all. I just keep them in their box for display purposes. And this figure, it's going to be in vehicle mode for sure because of all the silver paint. Because I prefer the last night version in robot mode, so I'm going to keep that dude in robot mode all the time. And this buddy is going to stay in vehicle form in his Aston Martin. Really nice silver paint on it. Love it. Alright, thanks for watching. And let me know if you guys are going to pick this guy up.